So now let me open the first dataset in Excel, that is sales table, and as you can see we have product name, price each, tax, total sales. So as we have calculated price each without tax, with the tax, with the quantity which will give us the total sales, that is in each column. So we have calculated this thing in Power BI. Now let's open the product table, and as you can see it has also the price each column. So what we are going to do, we are going to multiply the price each from the product table. So previously we have done this price from the sales table, but at this point we are going to get this from product table. So now let's open the Power BI and do the calculation. We'll create a new measure. To do that, I'll click on new measure from the ribbon which is present in the home tab. So I'll click over here and we'll rename this measure. I'll give the name as sum of total sales, but this time we'll get the price from the different table. So I'll write it as price from different table. At this point of time we are not going to get from the sales table, we'll fetch the data from a different table. Let me zoom in. So to do the zoom in, let me expand this formula box, and to zoom in you can hold on the control key from the keyboard and scroll slowly towards up from the mouse wheel, and it will give the required amount of zoom in. Now let's create the formula, and same sumx formula we'll be using over here in this tutorial as well, as we have explained in the previous one. So I'll write the sumx, I'll open the bracket, and it's asking for the table, same sales table we are going to use. So I'll write it sales, I'll put comma, and it's asking for the mathematical expression. So I'll write the expression as we have seen in the previous video, but in this video we'll fetch the price from the product table. So let me write the tax first. We can either write first or we can write it later. So for time being I'm choosing the tax from the sales table first, then I'll write related table, or we can use related. So related is what it will help us to fetch the data from a different table. So let me click on the product table and show this price each will get from the product table. So I'll type it over here, price each, and you can see it is from the product table. So we are making the price each along with the tax, and now I'll multiply this with the quantity. So there are a lot of brackets, and then we have to use multiply with the quantity, and this quantity will get from the sales table. Quantity order from the sales table, and let me zoom it out little bit, and this last bracket I'll keep it in the next line so that the syntax will be correct. So we are done with the formula. So we have calculated, summed up total price each along with the tax, and that total amount we have multiplied with the quantity ordered, and hit the enter key. I'll collapse this pen and bring this sum of total sales from price from different table into the matrix. As you can see that it is not matching. Probably we have did something wrong, some bracket we have misplaced. So let me squeeze this. As you can see that both the number is not matching, this one and this one. So let me see for the first one. This is fine, there is no problem with the brackets. And now let me go to the next one, which is just now we have created. Okay, yeah, as you can see related, we have done some mistake, there is a bracket problem. So let me remove this sales tax. I'll explain. Let me remove first this related before related, and if I put a plus sign over here, and if I put the tax, it will not calculate because related only helps to get only one single argument. It does not take, or it can, we could not combine this along with any other. In this case, related price we have got, but we have also summed up along with the tax, but this will not give the correct result. If I hit enter, as you can see in the bottom side there is some syntax error. So what I'll do, I'll remove this sales tax just after the related formula. Then you will be able to see that this formula will be working fine. Let me remove this. Let me close the bracket so it will complete only for related formula. And now we have plus this. I'll remove a bracket and then I'll multiply with sales. Now as you can see, related has one argument. After that related table we have put the plus sign and hit enter key. Now you can see that our total sum value, it is exactly correct, but this time this price is from the another different table, which is product table. So that's how we can use the related function to get the price from a different table. So that's all for now. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I'll see you with another new exciting video. Thank you, bye bye.